Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. Hey, be sure and hit that like and subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save some cash at Summit Racing on performance parts. Now, the last time I was up here, I overheard some guys. I didn't get a chance to check out what they were talking about. Had to come back, pick up some parts. Going to do it this time. And I'm going to bring you along with me. Now, this is in Arlington, Texas. And this is a massive, massive place. It's just, mind-blowing how big it is. Now, this is the front entrance. We're not going to go in that entrance. The place I heard these guys talking about was all the way at the back. And there really aren't any signs except for these. Summit Racing has an outlet center. Wow, who knew? Yeah, it's not advertised. Never heard about it before. But, here it is. And we get to the back. Nothing. Now, these are the doors to go in, but there's still no signs saying it's back here. I don't know. Crazy. But let's go in here and let me show you how much money you can save on performance parts. Now, everything in here are returns or demos, but they're all in excellent shape. I took some time and looked around, and I didn't really see any junk or damaged parts. Everything's in aisles, marked. Hey, let's check out this small block Chevy flywheel. Everything has a label on it, tells what it is. $109 marked down to $50. Brand new flywheel small block Chevy. Kaboom. And we've got a whole rack of flywheels. Now they're all for different applications. Heating and cooling. Let's check out that rack. Well, there's an electric fan. $155 marked down to $90. I mean, come on. Wow. This is a huge savings. And there is the rack and pinion to go with it. Intake rack. Nice little 3-deuce intake. $455 marked down to $260. They've got everything in here. Everything they sell in the store. Racing seat, $220 marked down to $130. Wow. Now, the only drawback, there isn't any type of guide or list to let you know what is in the store. You kind of have to look around. Now, let's take this Holley carburetor, $985. You saw the markdown. That's insane. They even carry engine assemblies. Now, they are marked. All sales are final. Now, let's check out the savings. Hey, that's a $600 savings right there. Chevy Blueprint engine, complete, ready to drop in. All it needs is a harmonic balancer, pump. That's a nice little savings right there for a ready to drop in and run engine. Compressor. I mean, there's everything is back here. Yeah, let's check out this big block Chevy engine. It's all complete, ready to go. Man, that's a $2,400 savings. Wow. Yeah, I could probably use that. I mean, it's like I said, everything's labeled. I mean, you can see the discounts. There's even a complete rear axle with disc brakes ready to go. Now, I didn't see the price on this one. It wasn't marked, but I'm sure there's a pretty hefty discount on that. Small block Chevy valve covers, every other type of engine type of valve covers. I mean, look at the savings on these aluminum heads. Now, you have to pretty much just walk the store, and you kind of have to know what you're looking for and looking at too. But I mean, there's just an overwhelming amount of deeply discounted items. 314 down to 180 Traeger SS wheels. Even if there aren't a set, you bought one, well, now you have to pay full price for the other three, but you still get a discount. How about these aluminum coated headers? $565 down to $320. Nice. Brembo brake caliper, $669. Maybe you saw the discount. So if you have some time, I strongly suggest you stop in and check this place out if you're doing a build or of any kind. I mean, simulator, 112 down to 60. And it looks like there's a set there. These are some really nice wheels. Traegers. Wow. Yeah, 120 something off. Shocks. I mean, you name it, you're liable to find it here. Make sure you have some time because you will definitely be browsing for a while. And it's like I said in the beginning, who knew? I didn't know it was even back here. Yeah, no signs, no anything. But this is the place, man. I hope you guys can save some money on performance parts. With the price of parts these days, any way to save is a good way. And you can drive around here. I just didn't know. Hey, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.